Can we see private account followers on Instagram? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll find out if we can see private account followers on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Instagram. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then simply search for the account that you want to see the followers of. So let me head over here. And there you can see that this account is private. Now normally if I wanted to see the followers, I could simply tap on the followers option and see the list. Now since this account is private, tapping on the followers button is not doing anything. So as you can see on this section right here, I can actually see the followers. Now these are the followers which are mutual to me. So there you can see that these many followers actually follow this account. Now other than that, I cannot see any other followers. So that means that if I want to see any more followers than the ones that are mutual to me, I'll actually have to just follow this account. Other than that, there is no way I can see the followers list. So I hope this answers your question, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye.